In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a page in Notion. If you're working in Notion and want quick access to the pages you use most, bookmarking, called favoriting, in Notion is the fastest way to keep them a single click away. This works the same on the desktop app and in your web browser, and it's perfect for things like a weekly planning page, a team dashboard, or a database you check every day. Start by opening the specific Notion page or database you want to favorite. You can do this from your sidebar or by navigating through any links inside your workspace. Make sure you're actually inside the page itself and not just hovering over it in a list view, because the option we need only appears when the page is fully open. Whether it's a simple note, a complex project hub, or a database that contains tasks or content, the process is identical. Once the page is open, look to the very top right of your screen. You'll see a small star icon right next to the Share button. That star is your bookmark control. Click the star icon, and that's it. There's no confirmation box or extra menu to deal with. Notion gives you immediate feedback, and the star will appear filled to show it's been favorited. As soon as you click it, the page will instantly show up in your sidebar under the Favorites section. This placement is incredibly helpful because it means your most important pages live at the top of your workspace, separate from everything else. If you keep a handful of core resources favorited, you'll cut out a lot of hunting and scrolling. It also helps you build a consistent routine. Open Notion, glance at favorites, and jump straight into your work. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the star, double check that the page is open in its own window and that you have permission to view it. Also, if your window is extremely narrow, make it a bit wider so all the top right controls are visible next to the Share button. Favoriting is tied to your account, so once it's added, it will be there whenever you open Notion on desktop or the web. That's all there is to it. Open the page you want, click the star icon at the top right, and find it right away in your sidebar. It's a small habit that creates a big speed boost in your daily workflow. If you found value in today's video, tapping like really helps more people discover this content. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What worked well for you, or how we can make these tutorials even better. We read every message, and your feedback directly shapes what we create next.